For discerning drivers, few letters evoke the same level of excitement and reverence as EM. The M badge is more than just a symbol. It's a testament to a legacy of speed, precision, and unmatched performance. Synonymous with high-performance engineering, the BMW M series represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. Each model is a masterpiece, meticulously crafted to deliver an extraordinary driving experience that blends power, agility, and luxury. These are not mere cars, they are precision instruments crafted for those who crave an unparalleled driving experience. Every component, from the engine to the suspension, is designed to perform at the highest level, ensuring that every drive is a thrilling adventure. From the moment you grip the M-specific steering wheel and hear the roar of the engine, you enter a world where adrenaline and exhilaration reign supreme. The interior is a blend of cutting-edge technology and luxurious materials, creating an environment that is both functional and opulent. This essay delves into the heart of BMW's M series, exploring its rich history, technological advancements, and enduring appeal. We'll trace the evolution of the M series from its inception to its current status as a benchmark in the automotive world. We'll examine the iconic models, the driving dynamics, and the undeniable allure that has captivated enthusiasts for decades. Each model tells a story of innovation, passion, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Buckle up and prepare for a thrilling ride through the world of BMW M. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the M series, this journey promises to ignite your passion for performance and excellence. The story of BMW M began not on the open road but on the unforgiving asphalt of racing circuits. In 1972, BMW Motorsport GmbH was established, its sole purpose to dominate motorsport. Early victories solidified BMW's racing pedigree, but the company's ambitions extended beyond the track. BMW envisioned transferring its racing expertise to road cars, creating vehicles that delivered unparalleled performance for everyday driving. The result was the birth of the first M-badged car, the legendary BMW M1 in 1978. This mid-engine masterpiece, with its sleek design and potent engine, set the stage for a lineage of high-performance machines that would redefine the driving experience. At the heart of every BMW M car lies a potent engine, meticulously engineered for maximum power and responsiveness. These engines, often turbocharged, are masterpieces of mechanical engineering, delivering exhilarating acceleration and a soundtrack that sends shivers down your spine. But raw power is only part of the equation. M cars are renowned for their exceptional handling, the result of a relentless focus on chassis tuning, suspension geometry, and weight distribution. Every element, from the steering to the brakes, is calibrated to provide the driver with an unparalleled sense of connection to the road. The result is a driving experience that is both exhilarating and confidence-inspiring. BMW M cars are immediately recognizable, their aggressive lines and muscular stance hinting at the power that lies beneath the surface. The design is not merely aesthetic, it's functional. Every curve, every vent, and every spoiler is carefully sculpted to optimize aerodynamics, enhancing stability at high speeds and improving downforce. Inside the cabin, the focus shifts to a driver-centric experience. Supportive sport seats, a thick-rimmed steering wheel, and M-specific instrumentation create a cockpit-like environment that puts the driver in complete control. High-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship are evident throughout, blending luxury with performance in perfect harmony. M icons, legends of the Autobahn and beyond. Over the decades, the BMW M series has produced a string of iconic models, each leaving its indelible mark on automotive history. The BMW M3, first introduced in 1986, quickly became the benchmark for compact sports sedans, its potent engine and nimble handling setting a new standard for the segment. The larger M5, introduced in 1988, brought supercar-level performance to the executive sedan segment. More recently, BMW M has expanded its lineup to include high-performance SUVs like the X5M and X6M, proving that exhilarating performance can be found in a variety of body styles. The M experience a fusion of luxury and exhilaration. The BMW M series is not just a car, it's a statement, a testament to the perfect blend of high performance and opulent comfort. Owning a BMW M car is more than just owning a vehicle, it's an experience. It's about the pride you feel every time you step into the driver's seat, knowing you're about to embark on a journey like no other. It's the feeling of the wind in your hair as you carve through corners with precision. The M Series is engineered to provide an unparalleled driving experience, where every twist and turn of the road becomes an opportunity to feel the car's exceptional handling. It's the adrenaline rush of unleashing the full potential of a finely tuned engine. The roar of the engine, the surge of power, and the thrill of acceleration combine to create a symphony of speed and excitement, but it's also the comfort of knowing that you are surrounded by luxury. The interior of the M Series is a sanctuary of sophistication, with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship that make every drive a pleasure. M cars are equipped with the latest technology, from advanced infotainment systems to driver assistance features, ensuring that every journey is as comfortable as it is exhilarating. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the M Series offers a seamless blend of innovation and convenience. It's this unique blend of luxury and performance that sets the M Series apart. Each drive is a testament to BMW's commitment to excellence, where luxury meets exhilaration in perfect harmony. The M Series is more than just a car. It's a lifestyle, an experience that redefines what it means to drive. Technological prowess innovation at your fingertips. BMW has always been at the forefront of automotive technology, and the M Series showcases the brand's commitment to innovation. From advanced powertrain technologies to cutting-edge driver assistance systems, M cars are packed with features designed to enhance performance, safety, and convenience. The iDrive infotainment system, with its intuitive interface and crisp graphics, provides seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking provide an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. The price of performance ownership considerations. While the performance and luxury of a BMW M car are undeniable, owning one comes with certain considerations. The initial purchase price is significantly higher than that of a standard BMW model. Fuel economy is also a factor to consider, as these high-performance engines are thirstier than their more pedestrian counterparts. Maintenance and repair costs can also be higher, reflecting the complexity of these sophisticated machines. However, for many enthusiasts, the thrill of driving an M car far outweighs any potential drawbacks. The M community, a brotherhood of driving enthusiasts. Owning a BMW M car is more than just owning a car. It's about becoming part of a community. M enthusiasts are a passionate group, united by their love for driving and their appreciation for these exceptional machines. From track days to car shows to online forums, there are countless opportunities for M owners to connect with like-minded individuals, share their passion, and experience the joy of driving together. This sense of community adds another layer of enjoyment to owning an M car. The future of M electrifying performance. As the automotive industry embraces electrification, BMW M is poised to lead the charge into the future of high-performance driving. The recently unveiled BMW i4 M50, the first fully electric M car, demonstrates the brand's commitment to developing electrified vehicles that deliver the same exhilarating performance and driving dynamics that M cars are renowned for. With its instant torque delivery, impressive range, and signature M handling, the i4 M50 ushers in a new era for the M series, proving that sustainability and performance are not mutually exclusive. Conclusion: the enduring legacy of the ultimate driving machine. For over 5 decades, the BMW M Series has captivated driving enthusiasts with its unwavering commitment to performance, luxury, and innovation. From the legendary M1, which set the stage for what was to come, to the electrifying i4 M50, a testament to BMW's forward-thinking approach in the electric vehicle market, M cars have consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, delivering unparalleled performance on both the road and the racetrack. Setting new benchmarks for the industry, the M Series has garnered numerous awards and accolades, solidifying its place in automotive history. The M badge is more than just a symbol, it's a promise of quality, excellence, and a driving experience that is truly unique. A promise of exhilarating performance, precision engineering, and cutting-edge technology that ensures every drive is unforgettable. The driving experience in an M Series car is second to none, offering a perfect blend of comfort, control, and excitement. As BMW continues to innovate and push the boundaries of automotive technology, the M Series remains at the forefront of this evolution. The future of the M Series promises to be even more thrilling than its storied past, with advancements in electric and autonomous driving technologies. The legend of the ultimate driving machine lives on, inspiring future generations of car enthusiasts and setting the standard for what a performance car should be.